Hello creative people. In this video, I am going to quickly tell about the 5 super cool websites which help us pick the colors, color combinations and even gradients to our projects in Photoshop, CorelDRAW or Illustrator. As creative designers, we many a times feel challenged and confused about what color to pick, what gradient to pick, how is it going to look, and we really want to visualize our creatives. But it is nearly impossible for us to pick every color and try it, keep trying it. It is nearly impossible. So what is better that we go to any such website which show us colors, which show us color combinations, color palettes and gradients, and then it becomes easy for us to visualize how that color is going to work, how that particular color is syncing with the other colors. On these free websites we can see different color combinations, gradients, and even pick those colors and import those colors to our projects in Photoshop, CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. We can just copy the codes of those colors and use those colors in our projects. So let's come to the screen and become familiar with all these 5 websites, 5 super cool websites, which is very useful for creative designers and graphic designers or the UI UX people. Okay, please come to the screen. Okay, now we are on our browser. I have opened this website coolors.co. So once you come to the website, just go to Explore tab, click on Explore, or I'll give the direct link in the description below. What we can see here that we have lots of colors in front of us and we can pick any of the color from this website. For example, I am liking this color, so this is the code of this color, maybe a dull blue, we can say it a dull blue. I'll just click on this color code. The code is copied. What I would do now, I would go to the Photoshop and set my foreground color as the same color we copied from the coolors.co. I'll press Ctrl V. So the color has come here. I'll click OK and take the paint bucket tool and drop that color here. So the color which was on the website, this one has now come into my Photoshop. Same we can do this in CorelDRAW. Click open CorelDRAW, click on your object, press Shift F11, click on color viewers and paste that code here. I'll press Ctrl V and click OK. The same color has now come into our CorelDRAW project. Okay, now let's go to the browser again. So, this link you will get in the description. You can just click and go to this website. So any color, we can play with any color, we can choose any color. Just click on the code of that color, it would then be copied. Then come to your Photoshop, double click on your foreground color or maybe background color, Ctrl V to paste that code here and click OK. We already have selected the paint bucket tool. Just click and the color is here. Same with CorelDRAW. F11, Shift F11 to choose a color, paste that code here, Ctrl V and click OK. Now that dark pink color has also come in our CorelDRAW project. Let's go to the next website, which is colorhunt.co. Same here, but a great thing on this website is you can click on when you click on pastel, you will get the palettes of pastel colors. For neon, just click on neon, you will get the palettes, a lot of palettes of neon colors. For example, I want to pick this color. I'll just click on this code. The code is copied. I'll then go back to my Photoshop, double click on my foreground color, paste that code here by pressing Ctrl V, click OK. Paste that code here by pressing Ctrl V, click OK. Paint bucket tool is already selected. I'll just drop the color here. So I have got this neon color in my Photoshop. Same with CorelDRAW. Click the object, select the object, press Shift 11, paste that code here, Ctrl V and click OK. Now the neon color is also here. Let's go to the next website. So what you can do, you can click on vintage or retro or light, whatever you want, or maybe dark. So whatever your project is about, just go to that color theme, the palette theme, you will get all those colors here. So the second website is colorhunt.co. Third is Gradient, which is good for gradients. For example, I am liking this gradient. For that I must also know how to create gradients in Photoshop or CorelDRAW. So what I would do, I'll go to Photoshop, select gradient here, click on my gradient color. To pick that color, I'll click on the small house, we'll go back to the gradient. So in case I like this gradient and I want to copy this gradient into my project, so what I would do, I'll have to copy these two colors, this blue color, sea green color, or this pink color, or the neon color. Just click on this circle, you will get the code. Ctrl C to copy this code, go to Photoshop, double click here, Ctrl V to paste that code, and I have got this color here as well. Click OK, and to change this color, I'll again go back to the gradient.co, copy this color, this neon color, Ctrl C to copy the code, and then come back to Photoshop, click this blue house, click on color, Ctrl V to paste the code, and OK and OK. Now my gradient is selected, my colors are fixed. Now what I have to do, I have to finalize or pick the range of my gradient. For example, I'll just click here, drag it and drop here. I have got that gradient here as well. To do this in CorelDRAW, select the object, press F11, with single click, Ctrl V to paste that color code, and click anywhere else, and OK. One color is selected. To copy the other color, go to click on this color, Ctrl C, and go to your CorelDRAW, F11 to select a gradient, and then Ctrl V to paste that color code, so that we have that blue color as well, and click OK. So now the gradient is also here in CorelDRAW. We can also create a gradient in CorelDRAW as well. Okay, now let's go to the browser. We are already on the third website, which is gradient.com. Fourth is webgradients.co. You can also see many of the gradients here. What you have to do, in case you like this gradient, just click to zoom in. You can see how it looks, and then click again to zoom out. To copy the color codes, just double click here and press Ctrl C, and then go to your Photoshop and change your colors in your gradient. Ctrl V to paste that code. OK. Now come to the browser again, on the website, which is webgradients.com. Ctrl C to copy the other color, and on Photoshop, Ctrl V to paste that color again, and OK and OK, and select the range of your gradient. So now that gradient is here as well. Same will happen with CorelDRAW. You already know the technique by pressing F11 for gradients. Now let's come to browser again. So there are lots of gradients here. You can choose any of them. Lots of them are here. Now the fifth one is uigradients.com. There are lots of gradients here. So you will never be out of colors or gradients when you use these websites. UI Gradients is a great website. Just click on this gradient and you will see how it looks, or click on the arrow. So lots of gradients are here. What you have to do, so you can also rotate the colors by pressing this rotate button. See how the colors are changing their positions. The gradient is same, the colors are same, but they are just changing the positions when we click on this rotate gradient. Okay, for example, I like this gradient, I'll click on it, or press shift to see all the gradients. Click on this gradient, click on this color code, the code would be copied. Go to your Photoshop and use this color here. Again, to choose other color, click on this color code, the color code is copied. Now go back to your Photoshop, Illustrator or CorelDRAW and use this color. So these are 5 websites. First is coolors.co, second is Colorhunt, third is Gradient, fourth is Web Gradients, and fifth is UI Gradients. So people, I have shown you 5 websites which are very useful for creative designers, graphic designers, because we really want to visualize how is it going to look and how a color is going to sync with other colors. Right, so I already told you it's really tough to try every color in our project, so it is better you come to these websites, see how the colors are looking and how they might look in your project. So use these websites to your help, use these websites to create nice creatives, nice graphics and save your time. Goodbye. Thank you.